Lourdes, Chica, what is your best investment? Yan ang diretsahang tanong ni Bel Mariano sa kanyang boyfriend si Donnie. Saad niya, marrying you, that's the real talk. I would sell everything else, but it's true. A man gets in good shape. He takes care of himself to be with somebody that is beautiful and admire and that want to create family with. That's why I think unlimited budget for me to do the work together for us. That's the best investment. I don't care about everything else.